My name is Maria José Costa. I come from Colombia. I worked after my bachelor's degree during 3 years. I decided that I wanted to do a master's degree abroad. I started to research different programs all around Europe. One of the main things that drove me into BBS was the practical basis part, because it's not just that you in the lessons you have all the theoretical background and knowledge, but also a huge part of practicality. Company visits or directors from very important companies. And another thing was, of course, the internship, because as I wanted to stay in Italy afterwards, I found this opportunity super important to gain experience abroad and to have the opportunity to stay also abroad. The company that I liked the most from all these visits that we had was the one I did my internship, and now I'm a trainer and consultant in that same company. So I think all my goals and all the things that I wanted to do once I arrived to Italy came true at the end. I remember my first day in Bologna. The first street that I walked to the city center was Santo Stefano. I think I felt that I belong. The people are just so easygoing, and they are super nice with you since the very first moment that you arrive. They are super friendly, so it makes you want to be part of it. The international context that BBS showed me was beautiful, because I didn't just have the chance to meet with people in my master, but I had the chance to meet people in every other masters at BBS. It's amazing how we all people, because of our backgrounds, we see things different and we approach problems in a different way. I gather a huge network, not just professionally speaking, but also personally speaking. I think I met amazing people that I will be friends of the rest of my life, I think. Appreciate every moment that you're here. Make the most of every moment that you live. And I would never change the experience I had in Bologna for anything.